channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So I have an exciting video. I just got home from work at Ulta. I'm coming today to share with you guys my Colourpop mystery box. I ordered the recent mystery box for August and I'm super excited. You guys know that I always love getting their mystery boxes, and I was gonna pass, but that is something that people do enjoy viewing on my channel, and that's something that I enjoy doing on my channel. I did already cut the tape open, and I did kind of just peek just a tad, but I don't know all the things in there. I did see a few things. I'm definitely very excited. So we're just gonna grab, I'm gonna show you, and I'm hoping I didn't get repeats, but if I did, it's okay. I can save it for friend mail, birthday, or giveaways. But I'm hoping that I didn't get a lot of repeats, but you just never know. I will put how much this was. I believe $49 was the box. I will put the value of what it said it should have. I think it was $150 if I remember, down below for you guys. And I will tell you what the overall value is for if I bought each item separately from Colourpop. It is still available as I'm filming today, which I don't know that it is, but it may be. And any discount codes, all of that will be linked down below for you guys. I did at one point have a 15% off coupon that they allowed me to share with friends and family. But when I clicked on it recently, it did say it was expired. So I don't know if I have to just constantly like update that or what, but if I can find one, I will link it down below for you guys. I don't know if you could use a coupon on the box though, but I know you can on everything else. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I do see in here are crystal face jewels. It comes with 72 crystals and it looks like that. This is typically not something that I would personally use. I can definitely save them for like a fun look that I do with my collab group. I will either give them to my daughter, she would probably enjoy them, or I may try to use them, like I said, when I have a fun collab with my group that I'm in. Next thing I see, and I'm super excited because I always wanted this and I did not pick it up. This is the Star Wars and Mandalorian one-hand mirror with Baby Yoda. And I'm so excited about this. Like I said, I wanted this. I got the palette, but I had never picked up the mirror, and it's so much smaller than I thought. But it's super cute. Look at that. How cute that is. So, where's my other mirror? So compared to my Laura Lee mirror, you can see the difference there. It's a lot smaller. This is definitely a full size. Whereas this is more of just like a small handheld, which would be great for travel for sure. But I'm definitely super excited to have this. That's very cute. So that's the second thing I got. The third thing I got is these Colourpop Falsies faux lashes in Chica. I think I have 2 pairs of these. Or I think I do. I bought myself some. And then I think I got some in another mystery box. They're beautiful, beautiful lashes, and I may keep them or I may pass them for a birthday or giveaway. They're beautiful. This is the Pressed Powder Palette in Creamsicle. That is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty. I don't think I have this. Very similar, though, to a lot of the other palettes that I have that I just got, like this one here. See, to that. So, it's okay. I got these for really inexpensive. I think I got them for like $4 on clearance, and then with my discount. But I do not have this, so I'm really excited to have that. Oops. Okay, so that's item number 4. Next item looks like a Super Shock shadow. Yes, and I do have this. I got this at my job for really cheap, for like $1.50. This is the Super Shock shadow in Cheap Date. I'm going to grab mine real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. I think that's it. Yep. So this will go in friend mail, giveaway, whatever. But this is what it looks like. This one's mine. It's just a beautiful gold, and I'll swatch it for you. Super pretty, super pigmented. That was just one little, like, look at that. That's gorgeous. So glad about that. I wish it was a shade I did not have because I'm trying to make a collection of these. I love their Super Shock shadows. The next item here, it looks like another little 4-pan palette. And I don't think I have this one. My job did have it, but I didn't get it because I wasn't on sale when the other ones were. And I'm really glad to have it because it's a neutrals palette, excuse me. This is the Feeling Coconutty. These are the 4 pans. And you guys know that, which I have yet to use. I got all these at my job for $4, but then I had a coupon and, I'm sorry, they're on sale. Plus, I got an additional with my employee discount, and they were adding an additional 25, so on top I almost got like a whole 50% when you calculate it. And these are those right there. And I did pick up extras for you guys for giveaway, friend mail, things like that. But I did not pick up this one, and so I'm just going to open that. I'm really happy to have this. I did still see that we have them. They are still regular price. I'm not sure why this one specifically didn't go down in price like the other ones did. Sometimes that does happen. It's weird that happens, but there's that one right there. Definitely really excited about this one. Again, because it's an all neutral palette and definitely something you can take on the go. So glad about that. So that is item number 6. This is a Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Dance Off. I don't know if I have this, so we're not going to swatch it just in case, because I know I have a few velvet lipsticks, and I don't know if I have it in the shade. It looks like a really pretty nude. Very, very pretty. And we're moving on to product number 8. For 8 products, that's pretty good. We got this Luxe Lip Oil. And this one is in like that Tinkerbell looking packaging, I guess, or flowery. Not Tinkerbell, it's a different collection, but really pretty. Oh, this is nice. I really like that. I love the lip oils. I really, really like this. I'm going to just put some on. I love the lip oils. I have so many lip oils now because of the Colourpop boxes and stuff that I've gotten in the past and things like that are for my job for really discounted. Let's go to product number 9. This is a product I do not like, unfortunately, but this is the Colourpop Party Proof Eye Primer. This is the one thing of Colourpop's I do not enjoy. This is in Caramel. I don't know if Caramel is just the nude. I have to check mine that I'm decluttering, which I showed you guys that in a declutter video not too long ago. Part 3, I think it was, and I just told you guys that I just cannot get it to work. Like, I feel like it doesn't do anything. But yeah, so this will be given away. Product number 10. This is the Color Sticks in Happy Days. I do think I have this. I got it from my job as well when they had a sale. And I got it for really, really cheap. But this is what it looks like right there. Okay, the next item, I do know that I have this. I got this, I think, for my birthday, either from my friend Beth or my friend Caitlin, I think it was, this year. So this is mine. And I do like this palette a lot. It's very, very nice. And this is what it looks like. And then you have that cream shadow right there. Or like a, I guess I use it as like a primer, but I put it on before. But this is a really, really nice palette. Glad I got that. I wish I got the other one that's more browns, because I do believe they have the gray toned one and then the brown, but that's okay. I do love this palette, so that will go in a friend mail or giveaway. So that is item number 11. That's a lot of stuff so far, so I'm really excited. Okay, item number 12. It is a liquid liner, BFF liquid liner in Crazy. It's a navy blue shade right there. This is item number 12. This is the Colourpop Gel Liner in Get Paid. And it comes in this really pretty packaging right there with the sunflowers and the butterflies. And this is a really pretty like nudie color right there. I don't know that I have this. I may, so I'm not going to swatch that one as well. More and we're all done. This next item is the 4th Ray Avocado Superfood Nourishing Mask. Softening Refining and Nourishing with avocado, matcha, and kale. That is what the packaging looks like. And I always love getting their skincare. I have tried several things from their skincare and I really do enjoy it. I definitely don't need another mask, but I'm willing to part with the brand new one that I haven't even touched for this one because I, love Colourpop and I'm very obsessed. It smells really, really good. Definitely might try this tonight. I mean, why not, right? So yeah, super excited. This smelled so, so good. So the last thing in the box that I see is the Glow Getter eyeshadow palette, and it looks like that. Super, super pretty. Definitely been loving myself some greens and things like that. This is very, very pretty. That is what it looks like. I do know they still have this at my job, so I'm really glad that I did not have to buy it. Very beautiful shades. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. So of all the items that I know of that I can keep that I don't have already, the eyeshadow palette again, that's one I'm keeping. I have the Fourth Ray Super Mask, Hydrating Mask, excuse me. The Feeling Coconutty little 4-pan palette. The little 4-pan pressed powder palette in Creamsicle, really pretty. The liquid eyeliner in navy blue, which is called Crazy. The color stick in Happy Days, right there. And that is the shade I showed you guys. The liner in Get Paid, and that's like the shade on the back. Okay, a Luxe Lip Oil and a Luxe Velvet Liquid Lip. This one is, I told you, in like a nude color, and this is just in a sheer color, which I do love their lip oils. The little jewels right there, and then the cute little Mandalorian mirror. Okay, so 11 things I am keeping that I know of. You do get 15 total items. That's what I thought I remember seeing. 3 items that I already have in my collection. 1 item that I do not care for. And so out of all of the 15, and I'm only going to not keep 4 of them. I think that's really, really good because I'm keeping more than half. So that's awesome. I definitely got my money's worth in my opinion. So it's the little Super Shock and Cheap Date. Very beautiful. The Colourpop Eye Primer. Excuse me. The lashes in Chica. And I do believe I have these. Like I said, I bought them for myself because my husband calls me Chica Bonita. And then I think I got one in a box. But I may just give these to my daughter because she's been into lashes now. And then this Twist of Slate, which I really do love, but I do already have it. So not too bad. I think I did fairly good, and I'm very happy. I'm glad that I was able to get this and that I did not pass it up. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Definitely be on the lookout. I will film a video using and trying these products out. If there's a specific product you want me to try out of this box, definitely let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. Leave that down in the comments. If you got this box, definitely let me know if we got the same box. What did you get? Do you have a video that I can see what you got? Let me know that down below as well. I'd love to check that out. And again, all the information will be linked down below. And if it is still available, it will be linked down below as well for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys have a very blessed day, a very blessed week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.